Ancient Greek architecture is one of the most important and influential architectural styles in history. It is known for its simplicity, beauty, and harmony with nature. Greek architecture began in the Archaic period in the 8th century BCE and lasted until the end of the Hellenistic period in the 1st century BCE. Greek temples were typically rectangular in shape and had a row of columns on the front and back. The entrance to the temple was usually at one end, and the main room was used to house a statue of a god or goddess. One of the most notable features of ancient Greek architecture is the use of columns. Columns were used to support buildings and create a sense of order and symmetry. There were three types of columns: Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. The ancient Greeks were also known for their theaters, which were used for plays and performances. The theaters were typically built into hillsides, and they had excellent acoustics. The agora, or marketplace, was an important part of Greek architecture. It was a place where people gathered to buy and sell goods, exchange ideas, and participate in political discussions. Greek architecture has had a profound impact on the world, and it continues to inspire architects and artists today. Its simplicity and harmony with nature have made it a timeless and enduring style. Parthenon. The Parthenon is the most famous building in the Acropolis, and it is considered a symbol of ancient Greece. It was built in the 5th century BCE and was dedicated to the goddess Athena. The Parthenon also features a frieze that runs around the top of the exterior walls. The frieze depicts scenes from Greek mythology and was originally painted in bright colors. Restoration work has been ongoing for many years to preserve and protect the Parthenon. We will learn more about Greek architecture in the next video. If you have feedback, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.